Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can get freaked out and get scared and earn $1,300 to do that. All right, it sounds kind of weird, but stick with me. It's going to be pretty good. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and get started right on this. But first of all, before we do, I want to invite those of you that are new to my videos, and if this is your first time to my channel or my videos, or anytime during the video, reach down there and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it as well. And also, anytime during the video you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys? Well, thanks a lot. Well, before we get into this, let's go ahead and get into this. I want you to know that this is the upcoming season here. We're already at the beginning of September here, so this is the upcoming Halloween season. So this particular video today is going to be kind of in coercion with the Halloween season that's coming up. It's really exciting opportunity for someone who likes to get scared and freaked out. And in fact, I can't even believe it's already that close to Halloween. I mean, Halloween's still about almost 2 months away. Just 2 days ago, I was driving down the road and I already seen people selling pumpkins. I couldn't believe it. I was shaking my head. Pumpkins are already out, and these were big ones, pretty good sized pumpkins that were for sale. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started in on this, guys. We're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. Look right here. It's Dish Network here. If you look up here in the address bar, guys, it says right here, it's us-dish.com/news/get-paid-to-watch-Stephen-King-movies. Well, that's a mouthful. Get paid to watch Stephen King movies. Yep, you can see it right here, guys. It's a contest that's going on here, and anybody is available to do this. Anybody can do this. It says you can watch 13 Stephen King movies by Halloween and get paid $1,300. So that's $100 per movie, guys. And if we come down here and talk a little bit about this opportunity here, it's back on the lot just in time for Halloween. Sink your fangs into the Stephen King Scream Job. Chapter 3. Let's keep this chilling tradition going. For the third time, USDish.com is looking for one lucky or unlucky fan to watch 13 movies based on Stephen King's most hair-raising novels. And in celebration, we want to pay this daredevil $1,300 to witness these horror classics. Will it be you? So yes, guys, anybody can apply for this. Anybody can get into this. And it talks a little bit more here about what you have to go through as you do this and to apply for it and so on and so forth. So stick with me and we'll get down through this here in just a moment. And it comes down, it says, as you watch, we'll be asking you to note how everything's going, how's your heart rate during the scary scenes, and which movie's your favorite or least favorite. And then are you watching these flicks alone or bringing a friend along so you can have a night terrors together? And the $1,300 earnings will surely give them pumpkin to talk about. So sign up now and show us you've got the guts to watch these 13 scary, freak out movies here, guys. It says, and who we're looking for, movie buffs, scaredy cat, adrenaline junkie, all of the above. This job is not for the faint of heart, but it could be for you. The ideal candidate has to be detail-oriented enough to track their experience. They could even share their scares on social media and vlog every time they jump out of their seats. No degree is necessary, nor will a drug test or background check be performed. However, applicants must be 18 years or older and a U.S. citizen to apply. So yeah, guys, this is only available if you're in the United States here as well, unfortunately. But it's one lucky person is going to be able to get this and make $1,300 for watching these movies here. And then it comes out and says, tell us why you're the perfect victim and why you hope to gain, what you hope to gain from this experience, aside from the $1,300, and this dream or nightmare job could be yours. And whether you land this dream job or not, USDish.com makes it easy to enjoy Stephen King any day or night, so be ready for a good scare. And it says here what you'll be watching. It says there's so many adaptations, so little time, and they narrowed it down to 13 classics that will leave you screaming for more, possibly. You can see it's Carrie, the original one, and 2013 remake, Christine, Creepshow, Cujo, Doctor Sleep, Firestarter, original and 2022 remake, It, the original 2017 remake, It Chapter 2, Misery, The Mist, Pet Cemetery, and Salem's Lot, and The Shining. So those 13 movies, if you can make it through all 13 of those, then you're going to earn $1,300 if you're selected when you apply here, which I'll show you in just a moment. It says we also want to know everything about your experience. It says you will track your heart rate and jump scares. You'll let us know who joined in on the scares with you, and you'll let us know what you thought before watching certain movies, and if your feelings changed after you completed them. You'll even log your sleep, if you can sleep. It says we want to know all of this and more. We'll provide a worksheet to help guide you along the way, but you're not limited to what we give you. Feel free to share your thoughts like a journal and give us all the frightening deets in simple to watch wherever you are. Join and consult our guide to watching Stephen King to get started down the path of horror and getting freaked out, guys. It says here what you'll get. One lucky or unlucky fan will also get a swag bag with a value of $350 on top of the $1,300 to make this trip down Derry, Maine. This is well worth it. And it talks about here, don't worry about tracking down these horror flicks. They're on us. And to help equip you for watching, we'll give you a survival kit with a blanket, popcorn, candy, and some Stephen King paraphernalia to set up the stage for what is sure to be a terrifying experience. It says we'll even provide a Fitbit. You guys know what a Fitbit is, right? It's like a digital watch, like a what do they call those smartwatches? It also tracks your heartbeat and all that kind of thing, your footsteps and all that. So they're going to give you one of those in your survival kit. And also, once you watch all 13 movies and log your report, they'll pay you the $1,300 to spend it how you want, and just avoid a certain hotel in Colorado. That would be the one called the Shining Hotel, where Jack Nicholson. If you saw that movie, you know what I'm talking about. The Shining. Anyways, up here, guys, it talks about how to apply for this. It says, think you're up for the challenge? Fill out the application form below to officially enter into the scariest social experiment of the season. In 200 words or fewer, tell us why you should be tortured this way. And let us know how you like to celebrate the Halloween season and any other relevant information that you would like the perfect candidate, that would make you the perfect candidate. It'll be the scariest but easiest way to make $1,300. So apply today. And guys, you can see right here, here's the application. It's just your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and you can see all the stars. These are what's required. And then you can have your Twitter handle, which is optional, a TikTok handle, which is optional. Are you over the age of 18? It's yes or no. Make sure you are. And then are you either a U.S. citizen, a permanent resident, or in possession of a green card? So if you're from another country here in America and you have a green card, then you could also do this, apply for this job as well, guys. And it talks about here, what's your favorite Stephen King movie? And then they got a whole list of them here that you can choose from, which are on these things here. And what is your favorite horror movie genre? I mean, you can choose from a whole, well, it looks like psychological horror. Here's the only, oh, there you go. There's some down here, different slasher, gore, body horror, found footage, monster, paranormal, and comedy horror, so on and so forth. And watching at home allows control, while a theater adds suspense. Which do you prefer, home controlled comfort or a theater with heightened fear? And that says right down here, you're going to type in why you, explain why you're the perfect fit for this particular job in about 2,000, in a 2,000 character field. And they said actually 200 characters, 200 words or fewer is all you have to type. And it says here, include a link to a video explaining why you're the perfect fit for this job. Now that's optional, but I would recommend that you go on ahead and do that because that would give you, I think, a little bit better or upper leg with them, because you took the time to make a video of yourself explaining why you think you're the perfect fit for this job, where a lot of people probably won't do that. So that would give you a leg up to make yourself a video for this, and then just go ahead and submit your application. And then here's the frequently asked questions. and they will eventually get back with you and let you know whether you've been chosen for this job or not. On either way, I would imagine they'll get back with you either way and find out whether you're chosen for it or not. Guys, that is the video I had for you today. It's a real short one, not a long one, but it's a pretty good one, and it's kind of interesting for the Halloween season coming up. And I think at the last day to, if I come down here, the last day to apply for this is right here. It's right here. The deadline to submit your application is Friday, September the 6th, 16th, 2022. So you've got about, what, about another week and a half to get your application in to Dish for this particular job, to be accepted for this job, to make $1,300 for watching 13 movies and get freaked out. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. If you like this particular video and got some value and fun out of it, reach down there and click that thumbs up button for me. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And also, if you have any comments about this particular video, leave them down there below in the comments section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you're interested in high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make thousands of dollars in one day's time, well, you want to reach down there below in the top of my video in description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.